Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to mention everyone in your Facebook group post. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to mention everyone in your Facebook group post, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to update your Facebook app. Just tap on Play Store, then search for Facebook. If there is any update pending, then update it from here. Then go back, open your Facebook app. Just tap on these three horizontal lines in top right side corner. Then here you need to select groups. Tap on the groups. In this you need to tap on your groups. Here you need to select any one of your group. For example, I will select this group. Then select your post. Then tap on this comment. Here first you just need to type @ After that type everyone. After typing this everyone, you will find everyone option. You have to remember this, only group admin can send or comment everyone to this post. Suppose if you are not group admin, then you can't find any everyone option. Only group admin can find this everyone option here. If you are the group admin, then you can find the everyone option, then select that one, then tap on send. After sending, now all your group members will receive notification of this post. That's it guys. So in this way you can mention everyone in Facebook group post. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.